Comparison between plant and animal cell. In this module, you will learn about the differences between plant and animal cell. Cell, as we already know, is the structural and functional unit of life. Both plants and animals are made of cells. However, a plant cell and an animal cell are different from each other. Let us look at a plant cell and an animal cell closely and compare them. As you can see, both plant and animal cells appear different from outside. On the outside, a plant cell is surrounded by a cell wall. Next to the cell wall, a cell membrane is present. However, in case of an animal cell, no cell wall is present. Only the cell membrane surrounds the cell. Let us now go inside a plant cell and an animal cell and see how they differ from inside. If you look at both the cells carefully, you can see spaces in both plant and animal cells. However, in case of a plant cell, there is only one large space, while in case of an animal cell, there are several small spaces present. These spaces are called vacuoles. So, a plant cell has one large vacuole, whereas an animal cell has multiple smaller vacuoles. In addition, a plant cell contains several colored structures that are not present in an animal cell. These structures are scattered in the cytoplasm. These are called plastids. Some of these plastids have a special green pigment called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll provides color to the leaves and helps in the process of photosynthesis. The plastids having chlorophyll are called chloroplasts. So, one of the major differences between a plant cell and an animal cell is the presence of plastids. Let's recap. A plant cell is different from an animal cell. A plant cell has one large vacuole, whereas an animal cell has multiple smaller vacuoles. There are certain structures that are present in a plant cell but not in an animal cell. These include the cell wall and plastids.